mga kapuso? Sino ba ang mag-aakala na sa Power of Duo magiging champion sila sa isinagawang Chavacano Pop Music Festival 2022 sa Zamboanga City? Paano ba naging susi ang kanilang tandem na ma-reach itong milestone sa music industry? Pues, sabay nating kilalanin sila Feli Glenn Atilano at Lawrence J. Camasura. Mayong buntag, buenos dias, Feli Glenn at Lawrence. Welcome dito sa At Home GMA Regional TV. ¿Qué tal ustedes?
Buenos dias mga kapuso.
Nako, unang-una, congratulations to the both of you bilang champion. Pero, how does it feel ba na naging champion kayo sa Chavacano Pop Music Festival 2022 dyan sa Zamboanga City?
It was fulfilling kasi for how many years, ngayon lang po ulit na 2014. Yeah, masaya.
So at my part rin, it was amazing kasi it was my first time joining a Chavacano Pop Music Fest. 2010, nagsimula ang CPMF, then nag-stop siya. It was amazing kasi first time kong nag-join at I was able to garner the experience.
Lawrence, being the composer of Zamboanga Merikiza na kinanta ni Feli Glenn, ano ba ang mensahe ng kantang ito?
Zamboanga Merikiza talks about the different culture, traditions, practices, talents, and skills of the Zamboangueños living. Also, the song was carved out or composed out of the theme Celebración de Colores. Pero, ang ginawa ko kasi is hindi ko siya kinompose or sinulat based literally sa theme na Celebración de Colores. So parang ang ginawa ko is, I think out of the box. So what we mean by Celebración de Colores? Kasi sometimes kasi, if we think literally on how we write a song, sometimes ang nalalagay natin is the literal, like Celebración de Colores. Yung iba kasi, it's like they just compose a song about happiness lang, like celebrate.
Nako Glenn, pasample naman sa kantang Zamboanga Merikiza.
Zamboanga Merikiza, mi casa, mi familia.
Zamboanga, mi ciudad, lleno de flores, mi único lugar, simbolismo tú de colores, de vida y unidad.
Nakawa kapuso, kitang-kita talaga natin ang talento ni Glenn. Pero both of you are presently studying, si Lawrence at saka si Glenn. So paano nyo ba minamanage ang inyong time sa studies and time for doing extracurricular activities related sa singing?
So sir, regarding that sir, the one main important thing to do sir is time management lang talaga sir. Because there are times that we need to comply our academic requirements and academic activities, especially academic performance. While there are also time na kailangan din natin i-manage ang self natin in doing extracurricular activities. So sa Western Mindanao State University, sir, wala namang problema dyan because every time we rehearse, every time we have extracurricular activities, nangyayari siya every after classes, especially when it comes to rehearsals. And when it comes to competitions naman, nag-release naman ng memorandum ang Office of the President regarding the competitions for us to be excused.
Glenn and Lawrence, para sa ating mga kapuso this morning, ano bang mga tips na pwede nyong ma-share para sa kanila o lalo na sa mga kapuso nating may potential rin sa music entertainment?
For me, sir, never stop dreaming lang. Patuloy lang sa kung anong ginagawa nyo. Never nyo pakinggan yung mga bad comments ng ibang tao. Saya kayo sa ginagawa nyo. And also, find other ways to improve yourself more.
Part ko naman is always explore more of yourself. Don't limit yourself in doing things na yung nagagawa nyo lang ngayon. If you can do more, explore. If you can sing, why not try musical instrument? Kaya. If you can try musical instrument, why not teach music? Why not teach a choir or why not teach a singer? Kasi sometimes, sa atin lang yan, if we want to limit ourselves or if we want to explore more. And also is accept criticism, judgment, corrections, and opinions as a source of motivation for you to continue, for you to learn more, to improve more, and to be a better version of yourself. And also, ito pa, when joining in competitions, kung natatalo, continue. It's not a hindrance for you kung natatalo kayo, but it's a stepping stone for you to achieve what's greater, what's far beyond your reach. So kasi I believe in a saying na don't only practice your art, what you used to have, but force your way into its secrets. That is according to Ludwig van Beethoven, a famous composer.
Dagang salamat for sharing your time, Glenn and Lawrence, dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV ug makausap pa. Congratulations kaninyong duha. Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo kay mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.